cameras. There you go. What happened there? Oh shit.
Fighting. Look.
Oh shit, it was a woman. Oh shit. Oh shit, it was a woman. Oh shit. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Wow. Okay, Presto.
What? Yo, what's she gonna do?
He probably made her crash or whatever, went to the sidewalk. Well, he was there hitting her.
I saw that. He was like punching her and shit. Look, she went. Oh shit, she went on against traffic. Oh fuck, what the fuck is wrong with her? Yo. Yo, she went against traffic.
She could tell him what happened. Like, you know, I just got punched in the face by this guy. I was trying to chase him.
Yo.
She ain't gonna get in trouble. She's probably gonna make him pull over, check her license.
Where's the popo? I heard the
that black truck.
Oh.
That black truck, SUV.
Oh shit.
He stopped right in front of her.
Yo, she went against traffic.